Hello and welcome to Learn a Trade. This is Kevin Tate here today with working on a Cornelius Viper machine. This is the data plate right here, and if you take a look at the screen, you can see got two flavors that the syrup is out. Another flavor that has a barrel temp out, and basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be replacing the temp sensors for each of these barrels. I'm going to put some new temp sensors on, and I just wanted to show you where those temp sensors are located. Inside you remove the side panels, and you'll see these temp sensors are right in here. Let's see if I can give you a good look. This is the one temp sensor right here for barrel 1, and that goes on this line right here. So I'll be replacing that temp sensor. There's another temp sensor a little further down. You can see it right here, this one here. So I'll be replacing that one as well, and then I'm gonna go on the other side and I will replace those temp sensors. So this is, not too bad of a job. The thing is getting access to the machine, getting access to the side panels and stuff like that. As you can see, this one has a little more room where I could turn the machine, so I'll just shift it back over. Once I get one side done, I'll shift it back over to the right and then do the other sides, and then see if we can get this barrel 3 operational. And I'm gonna see if they have any more product left. If they do, I'll get barrels 1 and 2 back up and running, get those refilled, and then we should be all set from there. So just gonna take a moment, get those sensors replaced, and then we'll see what happens from there. So hopefully you can make this out, but I put some light in there. But you can see that's the temp sensor right there, the new temp sensor. And as you can see, I put it in where it's facing upside down, because you don't want moisture to leak into potentially leak into the wiring here. So have the wires facing down, and then that way you can just run your lead right over and connect it to the other lead, okay, which goes to the board. So that's how you would put that sensor in right there. And I'm gonna finish up. I'm gonna do the other 3 sensors the same way, and then see if we can get this back up and running. There you go. Error code is gone now. Syrup out is still up, but I'm gonna check that out in a few. But I got all of the valves are in. Sensors I mean, all of the sensors are in place. All of these sensors, these temp sensors, they go right on those return lines. Okay, right back here. It's a little cluttered, but kind of gives you an idea on how they go in. And I got them all reconnected now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on replacing the seals on these barrels, and then get it back up and running, see if they got any more flavors, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, so right here I got the barrels back together. Everything's assembled. The barrels are filled. That error code has gone away on the third barrel there. So those are all set. And the the first barrel, that barrel's out of product. So that one's going to be down until they get more product. And then they're down on that blue raspberry as well. But basically, they're back up and running, and we'll go from there and see what we got. And everything looks good on these barrels. They froze down good, have a nice texture and everything. So that's all I have for this. I hope this was helpful to you all to see the location of those temp sensors on the Cornelius Viper Slurpee machine. I'd like to welcome the new members of the channel. You can see them right there on the screen. Welcome to the channel, you all. I thank you all for your support. I appreciate you. I'd like to say thank you to the viewers who watch these videos and post their comments. I appreciate you all. And feel free to submit more comments and reach out to us at the email learnatrade1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to us on the website www.learnatrade.online. So that's all I have, folks. I thank you all for watching. Take care. Stay well.